Good morning, children. Today we will read the chapter Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Aladdin who lived with his mother. One day, a rich stranger came to their house looking for Aladdin. I am a merchant, he told Aladdin's mother. I have come all the way from Arabia. I want to take your boy with me for a little work. But I will pay him so much that you will not be poor anymore. Aladdin's mother soon agreed because they really needed the money. However, she did not know that the man who said he was a merchant was actually a magician. Next day, Aladdin packed his things and left with the merchant. They traveled for many hours, after which the merchant stopped. Aladdin was surprised because it was a lonely spot. The merchant took out some colored powder from his pocket. Then he threw at the ground, and next moment there was smoke all around. As the smoke cleared away, Aladdin saw a big opening in the ground like a cave. The merchant asked Aladdin to go inside the cave. You will see lots of gold inside, more than you will ever see in your life. Take as much as you want. Inside the cave, you will see an old lamp. Just get it out for me. Aladdin became suspicious, but he entered the cave. Inside the cave was filled with gold. He filled up his pockets with gold and stuffed it in as much as he could. When he could take no more gold, he looked for the lamp and found it. It was old and dirty. He took out the lamp and called out to merchant to help him out. Give me the lamp first, the merchant said. Aladdin was afraid that if he gave the lamp to merchant, he would leave him there, so he said, please pull me out first. After that, the merchant got angry and took out some more powder from his pocket. He threw it at the cave, and opening of cave became shut. Aladdin was scared. Aladdin was sitting alone. He started cleaning the lamp. A strange fog filled up, and his voice said, my master, I am the genie of lamp. It was a huge man who looked very strange, and Aladdin was afraid of him. Genie assured him that he would do as Aladdin asked him. The next instant, Aladdin was home with his mother. They hugged each other, and Aladdin told her about his adventure. Aladdin called the genie again, and he appeared, but now they were not afraid of him. He asked the genie for a palace, and soon they were living inside a beautiful palace. As people got to know about the rich Aladdin, he became more famous. He was now married to Princess, the daughter of Sultan. They were very happy. The magician too heard all about Aladdin. He came to Aladdin's palace pretending to be an old man who exchanged old lamps and gave new. Aladdin had not told the princess about the magic lamp. So she got it to give the magician. As soon as he saw the lamp, he recognized it. He summoned the genie, and he was now the new master. Shift away Aladdin from the palace, he said. And when Aladdin returned home, he could not find his palace. He was very worried, but he realized that it was the evil magician who had done this. Aladdin thought hard, and he wanted to take the revenge. After that, Aladdin found himself in the palace, and he was very angry. And Aladdin looked at the magician that I want to a different place from where you can never be returned. And genie helped Aladdin where he go back to the palace and lived a happy life with the princess. Now all of you are able to understand the chapter. Read the chapter again. Okay, have a nice day.